Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to change app icons on iOS 17. Add a personal touch to your device by adding a fresh look to your home screen apps. In this video guide, I will show a step-by-step guide to personalize your home screen and make it more unique. So, let's watch the video till the end. There are many ways to change your app icons on your iPhone, but the most common and easy method is using the Apple Shortcuts app. It's a built-in app available on your iPhone. So first, check if it is available, or if you deleted or not found, you need to download the Shortcuts app. If the app is available, then skip this step. Now, let's follow the steps performed in this video. First, find the images on the browser or create a photo you want to use as a new app icon. Or you can use the image from the Photos app or Files app. Then, launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. After that, it's going to take you to the next page. You will see the following action suggestions. Hit the plus icon beside the Open app. Then, tap on Open app and select the app you want to change the icon for. Then, what to do now is click on the Share button at the bottom of your iPhone screen. Tap on it, then tap on Add to the home screen. Now, we need to click on the X and rename the shortcut to match the original app name or any name you prefer. Write the name of the app, change the name, or keep a blank. Here, I will type the name of the app. You can take a photo, choose the photo, or select an image from the file. Select the option that matches where your image is stored. Here, I will choose the second option. Once you select the photo and are ready to confirm, tap the Add button in the top right corner. You can repeat the same steps to change the icon for any app. You will get a new app icon for your app on your home screen. If you already have the app there, you will see two app icons now. However, you need to follow some limitations and drawbacks. For example, you can't hide or delete the original app icons from your iPhone's home screen or app library. You can move the main app icons to separate pages/folders or to the app library to keep them out of sight. For that, tap and hold the original app icon and hit the Remove App option. It will ask you to confirm and select Remove from the home screen. Once you remove the app from the home screen, it will remain available in the app library. So, don't delete or uninstall the original app from the app library or home screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.